Alright people, how are we? Now, I have the last pod I got from James from Jamino Hobbidondo. And this one, firstly, look at the colour. It's awesome. It's orange, but it's got little purple tinges all over it. Kind of looks like the Pimenta the dog TJ Burns grew them last season. Quite hot. James got the seeds from Anna Hot Stuff 4668, and they messaged me and told me about this pod. It's a cross between a Redgum Tiger and a Nagabrain Chocolate. They say it only gets about 700 to 800,000 on the Scoville scale. Still gonna be pretty hot. Bit of a sad day really, since last fresh pod. Last hot one anyway. Let's have a look inside. It's been in my fridge because I've been busy this week. I didn't really have time to do anything. And some oil in there. Looks pretty good. Love that smell. Very nice. Yeah, let's get the stalk off. See what it tastes like. Thank you very much, guys. When I was chewing it, it was quite citrusy, and it kind of started turning bitter, a little bit sweet all at the same time. Hiccup time. It's definitely got some heat about it. Excuse me. Pepper. Burp. The burn is a bit stuck on my tongue, round my tongue. That's it, just my tongue. Gosh. Having said that, it's starting to move around to the back. It's bizarre that I don't know why. Like the heat migrates on your mouth, but it does. I assume something to do with the oils moving around. Gosh. I haven't, what are those? Can't remember last time I did a video. Well, I think it's the last time I had something spicy, seriously spicy anyway. Hence the prolonged hiccups. Got big ass grey hair there. So the beard seems to be on its way back. I don't know how long it'll go, or how long I'm allowed to grow it for. More importantly, the missus isn't a fan. What do you guys think? Should I grow it back? Should really change my profile picture if I don't have a beard anymore. I like a beard. It's enjoyable growing bud. I would say the heat on this pepper probably rose to a 3. Not much more than that. I know if you're watching one of my videos for the first time and I'm saying it was a 3 and I'm hiccuping, I have a sensitive diaphragm or something. I hiccup easily off anything. It does not mean I'm struggling with the heat. Yeah, about 3. Nice flavour. Pretty. Yeah, the heat in my mouth is subsided. It's down to, I don't know, maybe a 2. Oh, I've got some little Reaper plants, allegedly Reaper plants. I got it from a garden centre. They started off absolutely tiny. Yeah, big now. We're going to need to go into a bigger pot and go in the garden, but it's starting to rain, so I'm not going to do that today. Oh, dear me. Right, guys. Firstly, thank you very much to James for sending me these chilies. It was an honour reviewing him for you. I'm looking forward to trying more of your pods. And Anna Hot Stuff for 644, whatever it was. I'm looking forward to trying your pods as well, whenever that may be. And thank you all for watching. If you like the videos, excuse me, please like, share and subscribe. Comment if you want to, I'll get back to you. It's always a pleasure. See you on the next one, guys. Bye bye.